Alright guys, in today's video what we're going to be doing is replacing this 2001 Nissan front wheel bearing and steering knuckle. As you can see, it has a lot of play in it. Alright, just take all your lug nuts and set them aside. I'm just going to remove the wheel. I'm going to sit this down and use this as a table. Next we're going to remove the tie rod end. Alright, we need a 17. Alright, then we're going to use our tie rod buster. I'll pop the tie rod off. After that, you can set that tool aside. You don't need that no more. 18 to remove the brake caliper. Turn this to the side. You're going to want to support your all the way up with some kind of support. You're going to remove your rotor at this time. Just go set this aside. Alright, these are going to be a 19. And pull this down like so. Push this CV axle out. Okay. Alright, once that's out and this over, you can gain access to this lower ball joint, which is right here. Alright, now you got the whole knuckle out. You can see that this wheel bearing is no good. So we're gonna get the new knuckle and we're gonna just install it in the same steps that we removed the old one. So we got our new knuckle assembly with the brand new wheel bearing. Just gonna go ahead and lower this ball joint, drop it on there like that, put this nut back on. Just a little bit, just some copper anti-seize. Put it on the inside of these splines. Just a little bit on this. Shot. So it's okay though. For axle reinstalled, just go ahead and pull that through. Then we're going to take our hardware, reinstall it up here. Just shimmy it back and forth if you can't get it to go straight through. Alright. Take a little more anti-seize. Just paint it around this. The knuckles always also come with a brand new 30 mil. To get that snugged up, it'll tighten against itself. Now it's on there. And put this back straight. Place our rotor. We can reinstall our brake caliper. wrench right here. gonna take this, install it. Set this cotter key, and then we'll put the wheel back on and check for any shake. Okay. Alright, we're gonna reinstall the wheel. Reinstall the lug nuts. And that's how you change a wheel bearing in 20 minutes. And no more shake.
Yeah.
It has a lot of play in it,